Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hello boys and girls, it's Teacher Michael with Kids Academy, and today I'd like to talk to you about line plots. In a previous video, we learned what line plots are and how to easily recognize them. Today, we're going to use a line plot to answer some questions. So let's begin by studying our line plot, then we'll read the directions to the worksheet and get started right away. So in today's line plot, it's all about the length of pencils in centimeters. I can tell that just by looking at the title. I can see that the different lengths of the pencils are 18 centimeters, 19 centimeters, 20, 21, and 22 centimeters. I notice that each length, 18 through 22, has at least one pencil at that height. So I'm going to use this basic information to help me start understanding the line plot, and then we can look at the questions and easily answer them. Let's read the directions and get started right away. Tom measured the length of his colored pencils. Use the line plot to answer the questions below. Check the correct answers. Okay, so we already looked at the line plot to begin with. Now, we'll read each question and revisit the line plot each time. So let's look at the first question. Number 1 says, how many pencils are 18 centimeters long? Okay, so we're going to go right to the number 18, and we're lucky it's our first number. Now, I remember when we learned about line plots, we learned that each dot, or each X, really represents just one. So in this case, each dot just represents one colored pencil. So, to figure out how many pencils are 18 centimeters long, we just have to count the dots that are above 18. Let's count them together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, meaning that there are 5 pencils that are 18 centimeters long. Let's go ahead and check 5. Now, let's read the second question. How many pencils are 20 centimeters long? Now, for this question, we're going to have to go to the 20 on the line plot. So I found the 20. Now I want to know how many pencils are 20 centimeters long. Again, each dot represents just one pencil, so we can just go ahead and count the dots. Let's count them together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, meaning there are 4 colored pencils that are 20 centimeters long. Let's go ahead and check 4. The last question reads, what is the length of the longest pencils? Okay, I remember when we first looked at this graph, we said the pencils went from 18 centimeters long to 22 centimeters long. So what's the length of the longest pencils? Our answer choices are 22, 24, and 23. Does our line plot go up to 23 or 24? It doesn't. I know that the longest pencils shown on this graph are 22 centimeters long. So let's go ahead and check 22 centimeters. Remember, boys and girls, that when you're trying to answer questions based off a line plot, first, look at the line plot before you even answer any questions. See what you notice about the line plot. Then, read each question carefully and look back at the line plot each time to help you answer the questions. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time.